Okay everyone, today in this tutorial I will explain about how you can create slow motion effect with specific section of a video with InShot, okay? But before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment. Also you can share my video. Open InShot. After doing this, select 5 in here. And now you can add from material. I will add this one to add from my video, and I will slow motion this video, okay? You can adjust first. I will put in here, so I will slow motion this video. You can click this video. After that, select speed in here, and now make it slow motion and select done. We can play the result. As you can see, the whale on this video slow motion, okay? That is the way how you can create slow motion effect with specific section of InShot. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.